Hey guys, today we're here in a home that has been lived in by an old fellow for 20 years. He lived here alone, he smoked heavily inside the house, and we're fairly certain that these walls have not been looked at, washed, or painted in the last 20 years. In order to get the nicotine and the dirt off these walls, we're trying a product today called Ultra One. Never used this product before today. I will tell you that in this project I did try 3 other household cleaners. I won't give you the names, but just stuff that you can find in your local grocery store. No success whatsoever. This product, we are supposed to wet down the walls with a spray bottle, warm water, and then spray this stuff on the wall. We can mix the concentrate anywhere from 50-50 to 25% product and 75% water. For today's project, I decided to mix 50-50 because we really do have quite the walls to work with here. Let's see how this goes. All right, so here we have a spray bottle with water, warm water that I'm just going to spray on the walls. I did just a small section here so you can see how this works. Notice that when I spray the water on the walls, there is no color change happening at all. It's just a mist of water. Now, once we get the walls a little bit down, then we come along with our mixture of the product. If you can get close with the camera, I want to show you that as I start, of course, there we go. I would pick the only bottle that doesn't really want to squirt. Take a look at what happens to these walls. You can see the nicotine is being pulled right off the wall within seconds of me spraying. None of the other household products that I tried had this effect. Absolutely none of them pulled the nicotine out of the wall like this is doing. Super simple. You let that happen. You grab whatever sort of a scrubber you might have in mind. For us, we're using an old sponge mop. And you can see how it's just pulling the nicotine right off the wall. Easy peasy. I would say that this product, Ultra One, really does do what it says it does. It says that it's a degreaser. It pulls nicotine off the wall. It's meant for commercial use, and it's certainly helping us with our project today. Say thank you, goodbye. That's a wrap for this project, guys.